Right now, a crippling cyber attack has businesses around the world on high alert. The ransomware known as WannaCry.
I want to move on to the other developing story this morning, the global cyber attack.
The National Security Agency developed this software, and it's now being used by criminals around the world to demand ransom.
Security experts say this is one of the worst and most widespread pieces of malware they've ever seen.
First, let's start with the basics. What is ransomware? Ransomware is a type of malicious software, or malware, that infects a computer and encrypts the files, locking you out of your data. The attackers then demand a ransom, typically in cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, in exchange for the decryption key to restore access to your files. So how does ransomware like WannaCry spread? The most common method is through phishing emails. A user clicks on a malicious link or opens an infected attachment, allowing the ransomware to silently install itself. Once installed, it can spread quickly across a network, especially if the systems have vulnerabilities like unpatched software or weak passwords. This is exactly how WannaCry wreaked havoc on a global scale in 2017. Now, let's take a look at how WannaCry works. In 2017, it exploited a vulnerability in Microsoft Windows called Eternal Blue, which was originally developed by the NSA. Once a system was infected, WannaCry used this vulnerability to spread rapidly across connected devices within hours. The result: thousands of businesses, hospitals, and government agencies worldwide were hit, and critical systems were locked down, demanding payments in Bitcoin. WannaCry's aggressive nature led to massive disruptions, from canceled surgeries to grounded airplanes. Ransomware like WannaCry shows how vulnerable we all are in the digital age. But with the right precautions and security measures, we can protect ourselves and avoid falling victim to these attacks. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on cybersecurity and staying safe online. And remember, always stay cautious and protect your data. See you in the next video.